Hello. The police may think that they're above the law, but they're not. Recently, Northamptonshire Police Chief Constable had to appear in person at the Court of Appeal in London for contempt of court. His police service, the Northamptonshire Constabulary, had twice failed to produce video evidence and were in contempt of court for not producing this video evidence of an arrest. The original arrest happened in 2021, and the victim, or I call her the victim, but the Ms. Bazar Quashi was arrested, and she was pushed to the ground and her face was shoved in some stinging nettles. And she asked for this to be, the video evidence of this to be shown in court, and twice the police failed to produce it. So she took it all the way to the Court of Appeal, the most senior court in the UK, and the video evidence eventually appeared, and the court said that it would not imprison the Chief Constable, Ivan Ball-Hatchett, but that it would fine Northamptonshire Police £50,000. And quite a considerable sum, but of course this is taxpayers' money paying for this. So the Independent Office for Police Conduct have been brought in to investigate this case, and those responsible for not producing the video evidence will be taken to task, obviously. But, it's really unacceptable for the police to, not produce this evidence and to act in defiance of the court. Absolutely dreadful, don't you think? Anyway, do let me know what you think. I'd like to hear. The other issue for me, and I've said this before, is that the police have been quite ineffective at dealing with the growing rise in fraud crime that's growing out of control in the United Kingdom, and the number of investigations and arrests into fraud crimes has been really, really poor. So anyway, do let me know what you think on these issues, but the police cannot and must not ignore court orders like that. Anyway, so let's see what happens when the Independent Office of Police Conduct investigate this. All right, all the very best now. Cheers. Bye-bye.